Hi, my name is Laura Hager, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com to show you the Exclusive Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cutting bundle. So this bundle comes with the machine. It comes with 2 cutting plates, an embossing plate and mat, and then the platform needed to create the sandwiches. So this bundle comes with the nested circles from Scrapbook.com. So we're going to use these circles to create this really cute card. So this card is made by using a piece of paper underneath and then lots of little circle cutouts. So we're going to use the die cut machine to create some of these circles to use on our card. So to get started, you just have to open the sides of the die cutting machine, and then we're going to start by creating our sandwich. So this bundle comes with the platform needed to create your die cut sandwich, and there's a nice little guide right on here for what you need to use. So we first need to use our cutting plate, and then we're going to put down our piece of paper. This project is great for using up scrap pieces of paper because you just need a little bit. So we're going to use that small piece to create a circle. I'm using the smallest circle die from the bundle. Place that right there, and then on top of our sandwich is the last cutting plate. We're just going to feed it through the machine. So now we have a great little circle. And if you're having trouble, sometimes that piece of paper gets stuck in the die. So this bundle also comes with a tool-in-one that helps you pop out the dies if you're struggling. Sometimes with the smaller ones, they can be hard to get out. So we have our die. We're going to make one more circle. Another little piece of scrap paper. Line it up. We're just going to feed it through one more time. So now we have our circles, and we just need to create our layout for our card. So to get started with this, I'm going to lay out all the circles first before I start taping. I like to lay things out beforehand. That way 2 of the same pieces of paper don't end up right next to each other. So I'm just going to lay all of these out. Make sure we have a pattern that looks good. Perfect. So when you have them where you want them on the page, I like to use the roll-on adhesive, but if you like glue, that's fine too. I like the adhesive because there's no wait time for the drying. So I'm just going to add a little bit to the back of each circle and stick them all down on the page. Okay, so once you have all of those stuck down, it's time to add our word. So I have another word that says love here, so we're going to add this. And I just use the same adhesive to add to the back of it. And then just stick it down in the center. And then to add a little bit more embellishments, I'm just going to add some flowers. These are from the same Turn the Page. These are Turn the Page papers, and these are Turn the Page little die cut embellishments. So they match really well with the papers that we used. I'm just going to stick it, don't want to cover the word, but add a little details to there. I'll add one maybe over on the side of the E. And then you're ready to add it to the back of the card. So to finish the card, I've cut a piece of 12 by 12 paper down to fit the card, the width, and then doubled it to be able to fold in half. So we're just going to fold this in half. And then I have a bone creaser just to help get that fold really nice and complete. And then I'm just going to add some more roller adhesive to the white piece of paper and then line up the paper and stick that on. So then you have a really cute card. On this card, I use the sewing machine to stitch down the circles just to add a little more detail. You can do the same thing with the sewing machine, or you can hand stitch, or you can leave it just like this one and just use the adhesive to stick those on. So these nested die cut circles are really fun and easy to work with. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!